Have you ever noticed that the best investment opportunities almost never feel like opportunities? They usually arrive wrapped in fear, uncertainty, and headlines that make everyone want to run. That's exactly where Sir John Templeton found some of the greatest fortunes in history, and his secret might completely change the way you think about investing. John Templeton wasn't famous for following the crowd. In fact, he built his legendary reputation by doing the exact opposite. While most investors were driven by fear or excitement, Templeton believed that the greatest bargains appear at what he called the point of maximum pessimism, the moment when almost everyone believes things can't possibly get worse. Think about it. When markets fall sharply, people don't usually ask, "Is this a great buying opportunity?" They ask, "How much more can I lose?" Fear clouds judgment. It convinces us that today's bad news will last forever. But history tells a different story. Markets have recovered from wars, financial crises, recessions, and even global pandemics. Take the market crash during the COVID-19 pandemic. As businesses shut down and uncertainty spread across the world, many investors rushed to sell their portfolios. Yet those who stayed calm or even bought quality companies at depressed prices were rewarded as markets rebounded to new highs over the following years. The greatest gains often belong to those willing to act when confidence is at its lowest. But Templeton's philosophy wasn't about buying blindly whenever prices fall. It was about separating emotion from value. A lower price doesn't automatically make an investment a bargain. You still need research, patience, and the discipline to focus on a company's long-term potential instead of today's headlines. That's the hardest part of investing. The market constantly tests your emotions. It rewards patience far more often than panic. While the crowd reacts to fear, successful investors ask a different question. Has the value changed, or has only the price changed? John Templeton understood something timeless about human nature. Markets are driven by people, and people are emotional. Fear and greed come and go, but businesses continue to innovate, economies recover, and opportunities reappear for those who are prepared. So the next time the headlines scream that everything is falling apart, remember Templeton's wisdom. The moment that feels the most uncomfortable may also be the moment with the greatest long-term potential. Sometimes the difference between an average investor and an extraordinary one isn't intelligence. It's the courage to stay rational when everyone else is losing theirs. If you enjoy learning timeless investing lessons from history's greatest minds, subscribe for more insights that can help you become a calmer, wiser, and more disciplined investor. Until next time, keep learning, keep thinking independently, and remember, the crowd is often loudest at exactly the wrong moment.